clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name's Amy and today we're going to go and have some lunch by the river. Switch offline, and that's my dog Tilly in the back. We won't be able to sit too long because she knows where we are. This is her favourite walk in the entire world. She loves it. I'm not going to tell you the name because otherwise it's going to get busy. You see a lot on YouTube of like the main attractions, right, of New Zealand, which is Milford Sound, the South Island, the Coromandel. But like there's some really beautiful pockets as locals that live here in this country, and I just love to show you guys. It's just beautiful. So we better get this this excited dog out the car. I've got some lunch with me today. I've got my Subway and a cookie, so we're gonna eat that by the river and I'll show you the views. So let's go. Excuse my messy boot. Alright, let's go. This is Tilly, everyone. She's a Jack Russell / Foxy. Coming down here since my early 20s actually, and I remember in my early 20s I was like, oh, I want to leave New Zealand, I'm so bored, I want to go traveling, you know, I want to go to Europe, America, you know, I'm sick of seeing bush all the time in New Zealand. Then I get to my early 30s and this is all I want now, is just the bush, the quietness, the nature, the trees, the birds, the calmness. You can always find busy, but you can never find the calm, if that makes sense. Like you can go and find busy, but living in this calmness is the best. Now this is my favourite spot here because it sits right under these tall oak trees. I think that's what they are. And when it's really windy, the sound of the trees are amazing. But it's not windy today. I had to keep my Subway in my purse because I couldn't carry it. And it fitted in there, which was pretty cool. Tilly loves steak and sausages and chicken. And this is a steak Subway with ranch and barbecue sauce. I don't know if you can hear me, hopefully. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like there's this real big shift at the moment where everybody is over social media. They're over consuming it. It's like taking up too much time. It's taking up their life. And people are starting to realize the impacts on their mental and physical health. I feel like there's a real big shift coming of people wanting to be offline. But yeah, I just feel like I'm in this era of my life where I just want less stimulation, less noise, and just like be in nature. I feel like being in nature helps me feel really grounded, less anxious when I'm in nature. So I turn my phone off at 6:30 at night, and I'm not on my phone in the morning because it's off. I'm getting more stuff done. Like I'll wake up, have a coffee, I'll do my yoga for 10 minutes every morning. I do stretches, I do my gratitude journal, I do my washing, make my bed. Like having a really good morning routine helps you feel productive, and yeah, you just feel so productive and you start your day in a good mood because you've got those things done. Anyway, I haven't even eaten.